Today, we are diving into the future of kitchen appliances in 2025, where artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize the way we cook, eat, and live. Imagine a kitchen where your appliances not only respond to your commands, but also anticipate your needs, making daily tasks more efficient and convenient than ever before. This is the promise of AI in the kitchen, where futuristic tech and advancements are set to transform our everyday lives. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the cutting-edge developments in AI-powered kitchen appliances, showcasing the blend of innovation and practicality that is set to redefine home living. From smart refrigerators that can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand, to intelligent ovens that can cook your meals to perfection with just a voice command, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to be amazed as we explore how AI is not just a buzzword, but a game changer in the world of home cooking. We will demonstrate the potential of AI in revolutionizing the way we interact with our kitchen appliances, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired by the incredible ways that AI is set to transform our kitchens and our daily routines. Let's dive in and discover the future of cooking with AI. In 2025, the humble fridge has undergone a remarkable transformation, becoming the brain of the kitchen with the integration of artificial intelligence. AI-powered smart fridges are not just about keeping your food cold. They're about revolutionizing the way we store, manage, and shop for food. These futuristic appliances are equipped with advanced features that make everyday tasks a breeze, from inventory tracking to recipe suggestions and even automatic food ordering. Imagine never having to worry about running out of milk or forgetting to buy eggs again. With a smart fridge, you can easily keep track of your food supplies in real time, thanks to its inventory tracking capabilities. The fridge can scan and recognize the items you place inside, creating a digital list that you can access from your smartphone. This not only helps you stay organized, but also enables you to plan your meals more efficiently based on what you already have on hand. But the convenience doesn't stop there. AI-powered smart fridges can also suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have, taking the guesswork out of meal planning. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a special dish for a dinner party, your smart fridge has got you covered. And if you're running low on a particular item, the fridge can automatically add it to your shopping list, or even place an order for you with your preferred grocery store. These features not only save you time and effort, but also help reduce food waste by ensuring that you use up ingredients before they spoil. Smart fridges are truly changing the way we interact with our food and our kitchens, making the entire experience more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. Stay tuned as we showcase real-life examples of how smart fridges are enhancing the kitchen experience through seamless AI integration. Step into the future of cooking with AI chef assistants that are revolutionizing the way we prepare meals. In 2025, these intelligent kitchen companions are changing the game by providing personalized recipes, cooking tips, and meal planning tailored to your preferences and needs. Say goodbye to recipe books and guesswork. With an AI chef assistant by your side, cooking has never been easier or more enjoyable. One of the key features of AI chef assistants is their ability to analyze your dietary preferences, ingredient availability, and cooking skills to offer recipes that are perfectly suited to you. Whether you're a vegetarian looking for plant-based options, have allergies or dietary restrictions, or simply want to try something new, Your AI chef assistant can suggest recipes that meet your specific requirements. This personalized approach not only ensures that you enjoy what you cook, but also helps you make healthier choices and explore new culinary horizons. But the magic of AI chef assistants doesn't stop there. These smart companions offer interactive features that guide you through the cooking process step by step, providing tips, tricks, and techniques along the way. With voice commands for hands-free operation, you can focus on the joy of cooking without having to constantly refer to a recipe or worry about missing a step. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, an AI chef assistant can help you create delicious meals with confidence and ease. The time-saving benefits of AI-powered cooking assistants are undeniable. By streamlining the meal planning process, offering quick and easy recipes, and providing inspiration for creative dishes. These intelligent helpers make cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Get ready to unleash your culinary creativity and elevate your cooking skills with the help of an AI chef assistant. Cooking has never been smarter or more fun. Welcome to the era of precision and efficiency in meal preparation with AI-driven cooking appliances in 2025. These innovative kitchen tools are transforming the way we cook by enhancing precision, automation, and efficiency like never before. From ovens to cooktops and beyond, AI technology is revolutionizing the cooking experience, making it easier, faster, and more precise than ever. One of the key advancements in AI-driven cooking appliances is the integration of AI technology to optimize cooking times and temperatures. These smart appliances can analyze data in real time, adjusting settings to ensure that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're baking, roasting, or grilling, AI technology helps maintain precise temperatures and cooking times, resulting in consistent and delicious results. But the benefits of AI-driven cooking appliances go beyond precision. These smart devices come equipped with automated features that make cooking a breeze. Imagine a self-cleaning oven that takes care of the mess for you, adaptive cooking modes that adjust to your preferences, and the ability to control your appliances remotely via your smart devices. With these automated features, meal preparation becomes more convenient and efficient, allowing you to focus on enjoying the cooking process rather than the cleanup. AI technology also ensures that users achieve consistent results, reduces cooking errors, and simplifies complex recipes. By providing step-by-step guidance, suggesting cooking techniques, and offering recipe suggestions tailored to your preferences. AI-driven cooking appliances empower users to explore new culinary horizons with confidence. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision and efficiency in the kitchen with automated cooking appliances powered by AI technology. As we wrap up our exploration of AI-powered kitchen appliances in 2025, it's clear that the future of smart living is here, and it's more exciting than ever. The transformative impact of AI on kitchen tasks, from food management to cooking assistance, is revolutionizing the way we interact with our homes and our food. With advanced features like inventory tracking, recipe suggestions, and automated cooking modes, AI-powered appliances are making daily tasks more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. The convenience, efficiency, and innovation brought by AI, integration in everyday life cannot be overstated. From smart fridges that help you plan meals and reduce food, waster to AI chef assistants that provide personalized recipes and cooking tips. The possibilities are endless. With AI-driven cooking appliances optimizing cooking times and temperatures, precision and consistency in meal preparation have never been easier to achieve. We encourage you to embrace the future of smart living by exploring further AI technologies, engaging with smart appliances, and staying updated on futuristic advancements. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and there are always new features and capabilities to discover. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to streamline your cooking process or a busy professional in need of time-saving solutions, AI-powered kitchen appliances have something to offer everyone. Get ready to step into a world where innovation meets practicality and smart living becomes a reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the exciting world of AI-powered kitchen appliances. The future is bright,